Speaking of Jordan shit, Chicago Low. Did they just retro this? Or was that the bread toe? I don't.
Black Toe.
Black toe. I'm sorry, bread toe.
This is supposed to be the big swoosh coming back.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh yeah, I see. Big swoosh.
Yeah.
Moon.
I don't care. I'm gonna try to get a pair, but like I don't care. Does that make sense?
Nah,
Yeah.
it's holiday lineup. Jordan Lows are respectable.
Yeah, I feel the same way. I'll probably get them, but never wear them.
Yeah, like I know when these came out in like 2015 or whatever, they hit outlets. I was working at the outlets at the time. We was giving them away for like $59.99. And then the Last Dance came out and they was going $300, $400, $500 for dead stock pairs.
For the lows?
For the big swoosh ones. Yeah, it was these, the Chicago Breads, Royals, and Shadows.
Okay.
The swoosh look a little smaller than they used to look, but I ain't gonna lie. I know people love the big swoosh version. That swoosh was like obnoxious on them old ones.
Oh, word.
Way too damn big.
Yeah, it's not so bad.
Depending on the numbers, they'll sell off. They mass produce them. They should be relatively easy. But
it was fire. 2 years. I think 2 years ago they came out with these. I think they were like was the varsity red?
Yeah,
it was just all red and it had a red swoosh too. Like same color blocking, except the swoosh was red.
Yeah,
those are dope. I still got those. I think they're going up in price. It's crazy. Oh, go ahead. Sorry.
No, I was saying that's when they was making any variation of one. Jordan 1s was just flooding the market.
Yeah, that's crazy. I'm probably gonna cop a couple pairs of these. I might wait till they drop in price. I'm trying to be more patient with my buying now.
That might be a good shoe to like hold on to, because if they do numbers like the first big swoosh joints, the hold is gonna be worth the investment.
Yeah,
if that's your bag.
And they're gonna be under. They're gonna be under 200.
Oh no, they probably might be like under 100.
160. Nah, they gonna be like 160. I bought a pair of 85 lows, the Royals this year. They retail for like 160.
Did you buy them resale or?
Nah, that was retail.
Oh,
it was the same 80. It was the 85 cut though, with the more premium materials. So these will probably be like 140.
Okay.
It all depends.
140. Wow. Yeah. I don't know, man. I can't keep up with the pricing. If it's under $200 for any shoe nowadays, I'm like happy about it.
Exactly. Yeah, I ain't even factor in tariff.
I don't even know. They show the pre-tariff price on old stuff. Did you notice that?
Yeah, I know they released some info that's saying which models would be going up.
Yeah,
but I didn't give a shit because
Nike's increases have only been between $5 and $10,
which is crazy because like I love how everyone was like, I wonder how the tariffs are going to affect the Jordan prices, XYZ. I'm like, bro, Jordan will raise prices on the shoe with or without tariffs.
Though. They did that already, and they did it more.
They already raised for $5 a piece.
No, but they raised the prices up even more the last couple of years.
Yeah, like Jordan 1s are $180 now. Like, what the fuck?
Them shits was like what, $100 back in?
Yeah, like 140. Like the price of a high was the price of a low.
No, 120. I want like 120. And Dunks were like what, 89 back in 2000, right?
Yeah, Dunks was dumb cheap. Those were the good days.
Yeah. Now they what, 115, 120?
Something like that. Unless it's an SB, I can't be bothered to look at Dunks no more.
Facts.
I agree.